Hey guys, welcome to a new video of Bitcoin Edge. Today we'll take a look at the charts and I will try to make my videos a little bit shorter than usual. Since I think my views go up if I do that. Something to look at within the coming few hours. The open of the ES1 futures. The S&P 500 futures. If they gap up, you long Bitcoin. If they gap down, you sell your long position. It's easy as that in the coming few hours. So I hope that is clear. Let's go to Bitcoin. Right now we broke this trend line over here. I was drawing that on Twitter as well today. I drew this a couple hours ago, 3 hours ago, and I drew an update. It is following my plan like I draw it over here. By the way, if you want to trade with some leverage like I do, make sure you use one of these sign up links. You get additional discounts, which is very important. Funding dipped below, or the discounts dipped below. Yeah, that's the index price versus the actual price in the perps. And that is very good. It means we have fuel to the upside. People are bearish, but right now I am watching this pattern on a lower time frame. And my plan still stands. I am expecting something like this to happen. Anyway, if the S&P 500 futures do something weird in the coming few hours, they will open in about 4 hours from now. Yeah, you trade according to that. You follow the S&P 500. That is my advice. Very strong advice. We broke this big trend line, and let's remove everything that can cause for some downside risk. In the VPVR, we can see where we can find support. Also this one. That's some kind of a retest over there. Some supports I'm seeing right now. This one is one. Resistance is this one. I usually trade according to trend lines and a bit of horizontals, but I also like the VPVR. A lot of people are hoping for high 13,000. They hope for a dip like this, but if the majority expects something like this, it won't happen. They will get front ran. So I hope everybody except the people who are not following my channel will short this so we can go up. The majority mostly loses. Ethereum, also a little breakdown on the hourly. Is this bad? Short term, no. I mean short term yes, but long term no. Not really. Ethereum is looking very good over here. We are very high still. We are way above last year's high. Just like Bitcoin, this is what we're seeing for Ethereum. Last year's high. Zoom in a little bit more. We have a double top at the moment, kind of, in my opinion. We have some supports. This is one. We are breaking it right now. So we go to the next one. And that is this one. Around, what is it? 420. So making a higher low over there would be completely logical. Something like this. Maybe, always in crypto, be careful with longing support. Usually they do something like this and then go up again, just to make sure they shake out everybody out of their longs. Ethereum, BTC, making a lower low at the moment. Not looking that good. Something like this is in the making. As long as the current low holds, this one over there, we are fine. We just want to make a higher low. That's all. We can have an inverse head and shoulders over here. Like I said, the fundings are really low. That means we have still a lot of fuel to the upside. Still a lot of shorts within reach. It's all about liquidity. Where can we stop out the most people out of the trades? That is why I'm really looking at funding and premiums and discounts. Bitfinex has a $10 discount over Coinbase. That is really good as well. Why is that good? Because new money comes in through Coinbase mostly, and most people who are at Bitfinex, they come through Tether, and that is not fresh fiat most of the time. It's really retail we want to get on board. Anyway, the weekly looks a bit like a doji. We could see a little bit of a pullback. Do we see something like this in the past? Not really. I mean, it could also be a trap. But something like this could be possible. So making something like this over here. A doji, a big sell-off, and then a big buy back again. Because this is what a bull market looks like. And we are definitely in a bull market, guys. We're close to all-time highs. Also a retest of this one. Last year's high, around 14k. I mean, this is why everybody is expecting that dip below 14k. A retest of that one, and I can see why they think it will happen. But if everybody expects that, it won't happen. That's what I think. And yeah, I am very bullish, and this will still be my short-term play. I'm expecting us to break up from here. The correct drawing is still on my profile, and this is what I'm expecting. Target just below 17k. You want to take profit. It could take, I mean, a day or something going sideways, and our support should be at well, strong support should be at $15,500. There's where you long. And yeah, target 17k. That's about it. Make sure to also follow me on Twitter, subscribe to my videos, and if you have any questions, please let me know, because I'm happy to answer. See you guys again tomorrow.